The Patagonian mara, Dolichotis patagonum, is a large rodent native to the arid regions of Argentina, particularly the Patagonian steppes. Also known as the Patagonian cavy or Patagonian hare, this fascinating animal resembles a cross between a rabbit and a small deer, though it is neither. Maras belong to the family Caviidae, making them close relatives of guinea pigs and capybaras. Known for their unusual appearance, social structure, and unique adaptations to a harsh environment, the Patagonian mara is one of the most interesting and unique mammals in South America. Here is a deep dive into the world of the Patagonian mara, exploring its physical characteristics, behavior, ecological role, and conservation status. Physically, the Patagonian mara is distinctive and easily recognizable. It has long, slender legs and a compact, rounded body that reaches about 27 to 30 inches, 69 to 75 centimeters, in length and weighs between 18 and 35 pounds, 8 to 16 kilograms. Its hind legs are much longer than its forelegs, giving it a bounding, hopping gait similar to a rabbit. This unique body structure enables the mara to move quickly and cover large distances as it searches for food and evades predators. The mara's fur is dense and smooth, usually a mix of gray and brown with a white underbelly, which provides camouflage against the sandy, rocky terrain of Patagonia. Its large, rabbit-like ears give it an acute sense of hearing, essential for detecting approaching predators. One of the most striking features of the Patagonian mara is its locomotion. Maras are known for their ability to run and hop in a unique way, using a combination of galloping and a springing motion called stotting or pronking, where all 4 feet leave the ground simultaneously. This behavior is not only an efficient way to cover ground quickly, but it also serves as a way to communicate with other maras or warn potential predators. They can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour, making them one of the fastest rodents in the world. This speed, along with their keen senses of sight and hearing, helps them avoid predators like foxes, eagles, and large cats. Patagonian maras are highly social animals, a trait that sets them apart from many other rodents. They are usually seen in pairs, as they form strong, monogamous bonds that can last a lifetime. Once a pair has bonded, the male and female will typically remain together and are rarely seen apart. This strong pair bond is maintained through various behaviors, such as grooming and staying close together while foraging. Males are particularly protective of their mates and will often guard them closely to prevent other males from approaching. This monogamous lifestyle is unusual among rodents and is thought to have evolved as a strategy to ensure the survival of offspring in a harsh and competitive environment. In addition to their monogamous pairs, Patagonian maras are known to form large social groups, especially during the breeding season. These groups, called creches, can consist of up to 15 pairs, and sometimes even more. Within these groups, the maras engage in cooperative care of the young, a behavior known as communal nesting. Multiple females will deposit their offspring in a shared burrow, where all the young are cared for collectively. The mother visits the communal burrow periodically to nurse her own young, which are able to recognize her by scent and call. This cooperative behavior provides the young with a greater chance of survival, as there is safety in numbers, and the presence of multiple adults helps deter predators. The diet of the Patagonian mara is primarily herbivorous, consisting mainly of grasses, leaves, and shrubs. Maras are well adapted to the dry, arid conditions of Patagonia, where vegetation is sparse and water is limited. They are efficient foragers, able to extract nutrients from tough, fibrous plant material that other animals may find difficult to digest. Their digestive system is specialized to break down cellulose, allowing them to extract maximum nutrition from their food. In times of scarcity, they are also capable of re-ingesting their feces to absorb additional nutrients, a behavior known as coprophagy. This adaptation is particularly important in their arid habitat, where food can be scarce. Patagonian maras have a relatively long gestation period for rodents, lasting about 90 to 100 days. After this period, a female gives birth to 1 to 3 young, which are called pups. Unlike many other rodents, mara pups are born fully furred, with their eyes open, and are able to walk and follow their parents within minutes of birth. This advanced state of development is essential in their open habitat, where young animals are vulnerable to predators. The pups remain in the communal burrow for the first few weeks of life, where they are protected and nursed by their mothers. As they grow, they begin to venture out of the burrow, learning to forage and explore under the watchful eyes of the adults in the group. The Patagonian mara's habitat is unique and challenging. They are found primarily in the Patagonian steppes, a region characterized by vast, open plains, rocky terrain, and sparse vegetation. This environment experiences extreme temperatures, with hot summers and cold winters, as well as strong winds that sweep across the plains. Maras have adapted to these conditions with their dense fur, which provides insulation against both cold and heat, and their burrowing behavior, which allows them to escape harsh weather and avoid predators. Their burrows are often located under rocks or in dense vegetation, providing both shelter and camouflage. Due to habitat loss and hunting, the population of Patagonian maras has declined in recent years, and they are currently classified as a near-threatened species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Habitat destruction from agricultural expansion and livestock grazing has led to a decrease in available food and shelter, putting additional pressure on mara populations. Additionally, maras are sometimes hunted for their meat and fur, although hunting is not as common as habitat loss in terms of impact. Conservation efforts are aimed at protecting the remaining populations by preserving their habitat and raising awareness about the species. In the wild, maras have a number of natural predators, including foxes, pumas, and birds of prey. To evade these threats, maras rely on their speed and agility, as well as their social structure, which provides them with safety in numbers. When a mara senses danger, it will give an alarm call, alerting others in the group to the presence of a predator. The group will then scatter in different directions, a tactic that confuses predators and increases the chances of escape. This coordinated response is one of the many ways that Patagonian maras have adapted to survive in a challenging environment. Despite their vulnerability in the wild, maras have become a popular attraction in zoos and wildlife parks around the world, where they are appreciated for their unique appearance and gentle nature. In captivity, they are known to be friendly and social, often forming bonds with their caretakers and other animals. However, they require a large, open space to mimic their natural habitat, as well as a diet rich in fiber to maintain their digestive health. Conservation programs in zoos also play an important role in educating the public about the Patagonian mara, and the need to protect its natural habitat. Patagonian maras are also known to use vocalizations to communicate with each other. They produce a range of sounds, including grunts, whistles, and squeals, which they use to express alarm, communicate with their young, and reinforce social bonds. These vocalizations are an important aspect of their social behavior, helping them to maintain cohesion within the group and coordinate their movements when foraging or escaping from danger. The behavior and adaptations of the Patagonian mara make it a fascinating example of evolutionary specialization. Its combination of speed, social structure, and unique physiology allows it to thrive in one of the most challenging environments in South America. The Patagonian mara's ability to form lifelong pairs and participate in communal care of young are behaviors not commonly seen in rodents, reflecting the complexity and adaptability of this species. In conclusion, the Patagonian mara is a remarkable and resilient animal that has evolved to survive in the rugged landscapes of Patagonia. Its distinctive appearance, monogamous lifestyle, and complex social structure make it an intriguing subject of study, while its role as a seed disperser and grazer contributes to the health of its ecosystem. Although it faces threats from habitat loss and human activity, conservation efforts are helping to raise awareness and protect the species. The Patagonian mara stands as a testament to the diversity and adaptability of life in South America's arid regions, offering a glimpse into the fascinating world of the Patagonian steppes. Through understanding and conservation, we can help ensure that future generations continue to encounter these unique animals in the wild. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.